This is for Year 12 Specialists. It comes out of 4H question number 4. Sketch the subset of the complex plane defined by the following conditions. Okay, so I want to sketch all of the z's whose argument equals pi on 4. So all complex numbers who has an angle of pi on 4. So if this is the real component of z and this is the imaginary component of z, so I've got an argand diagram, I want every complex number on that line there, except I don't want the origin. Okay, so that's the first one done. The second one is, I want the argument of z minus 2 equal to negative pi on 4. So z minus 2 means all of the complex numbers that have been moved 2 units to the right. So at 2, that's where my starting point is going to be. And I want all of the angles that are equal to negative pi on 4. So if that's the real component of z and that's the imaginary component of z, I want them all along there. So that's that one done. And the third one, I want the argument of z, that is the angles of the complex numbers, to be less than or equal to pi on 4. So I'm going to have an open circle there. I'm going to have a solid line there, because I wish to include anything on the solid line. But I don't wish to include this line, because this, less than or equal to, I do want to include this line. No, I don't want to include this line because that line is pi. So and I'm wanting the region that includes all the complex numbers that are down here, because down here this complex number here has an angle which is less than pi on 4, and this one here has an angle that's less than pi on 4. This one here has an angle that's less than pi on 4. This one over here has an angle that's less than pi on 4. But I can't include this because that's got an angle that's bigger than pi on 4. So this is the region that I want. And I'm going to say my required region is the region shaded. And that's going to be my answer.